Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to make beautiful woolen flower with hair comb. First thing I did was to count out 6 teeth from the hair comb and then wrap around the wool on it for 6 times. Then swap to 4 teeth of the comb and wrap around 4 times. Tie it to secure. Attach needle at the section of the wool and wrap around the middle of the wool on the comb twice. At this point, pull the design out from the comb and then sew to secure just the way I'm doing it. Now, attach 3 pearls at the upper side of the woolen design. When you are done with that, make the little pieces 5 and join them together to make beautiful woolen flower. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like the video for more. Attach a medium-sized bead right at the center of the woolen flower to make it seamless and beautiful. I believe you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next video.